In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, link, and customize buttons to Wix website. By the end, you'll know how to place a button on your page, tailor its content, and link it either to a page on your site or an external web address with the right open behavior for each. Start inside the Wix editor. On the left toolbar, click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. This is your library of site components, and it's where you'll find everything from text to images, and of course, buttons. Choose the button category. To keep your design consistent, go to themed buttons. These options automatically match your site's fonts, colors, and styles, so your new button looks polished without extra tweaking. Pick a button style you like, then drag and drop it onto your page. As you place it, use the smart alignment guides to center it or snap it to other elements for a clean layout. You can resize and position it now. The exact look can always be adjusted later. With the button selected, click Settings. This is where you control what the button displays and where it leads. Under Choose What Displays, decide whether your button shows text only or text with an icon. Icons can be helpful for quick recognition. Think a shopping bag for a store or an arrow for navigation, but keep it simple and relevant. In the text field, update the label to say what you want visitors to do, such as click here, learn more, or shop now. Clear, action-based text makes your button more effective and accessible. Next, click Choose a Link. This determines the destination when someone clicks. You'll see two common choices, page and web address. If you want to send users to an external site, select web address. Paste the full URL in the field provided, and under How does it open, choose New Window. Opening external links in a new window keeps your site open in the background, which helps visitors return easily and protects their browsing flow. If you want the button to navigate within your own site, select Page. Under which page, choose the page you want to link to, like Home, About, or a product page. For How does it open, choose Current Window. Internal navigation should replace the current page so the experience feels seamless and your site's back button behavior remains intuitive. That's it. You've added a themed button, customized its label and icon, and correctly linked it to either an external URL or a page on your site with the right open behavior for each situation. Clear text, consistent styling, and thoughtful link settings will make your buttons both attractive and effective.